Hello everyone. Today, we will learn some Ayangan terms or also known as ijadyang of animals we can find in the farm. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe on this channel or like and share this video. Manuh Chicken. Manuh Chicken. Fafoy Pig. Fafoy Pig. Papa Duck. Papa Duck. Kensheng Goat. Kensheng Goat. Manuh Goose. Manuh Goose. Nugwang Carabao. Nugwang Carabao. Amfajuh Dog. Amfajuh Dog. Puha Cat. Puha Cat. Amfajuh Horse. Amfajuh Horse. Faka Cattle or Cow. Faka Cattle or Cow. I hope you learned from this video. Please don't forget to click the bell button for more updates. Thank you for watching.